If you're feeling like a zombie in your 30s and 40s, it's time to make some shifts. Let's be real. Running on fumes is normal, right? It's definitely not how you're supposed to feel every day. Here are 3 biggest lifestyle changes that would make this turn around. First, I shift my focus from quantity to quality. Instead of obsessing over the calories or chasing the latest diet trend, I'd focus on fueling my body properly. This means that I'm aiming for at least 3 servings of fruits and veggies each day and getting around 3 liters of water. It's easy to think the energy just comes from eating more or drinking another coffee, but the truth is, it's about what you're putting into your body. You're feeling it in your body. Second step, I would prioritize sleep like it's my full-time job. I know we've all been guilty of doom scrolling at 11 p.m., convincing ourselves that just one more video, but that's literally wrecking your energy the next day. If you're feeling constantly drained, sleep is one of the biggest things I would look for in the beginning. For me, that would mean turning off my screens at least an hour before bed, avoiding mindless scrolling, doing something actually relaxing like reading, meditating, or stretching. And in case you needed this reminder, no amount of coffee will replace quality sleep. That I promise you. Now, if your energy is low, you might think hitting the gym for a beast mode workout is the answer. But sometimes that's just not the case. You know, it just may make things even worse. Instead of forcing a high intensity workouts, when I'm already exhausted, I'd rather just focus on gentle daily movement. And this could mean a 5 to 6K step goal each day. It could mean gentle yoga. It could mean mobility work or stretching. Because the ultimate goal is once I start movement, it helps me with my momentum and my confidence. So when you move, your body wakes up, circulation improves, your energy starts coming out back naturally. And slowly you can start to progress into running and workouts and increasing the intensity as you see it. And listen, if you tried all of this and nothing was working, I wouldn't waste time guessing. I'd hire a coach. Sometimes you just need an outside perspective, someone who actually knows what's going on to help you figure out what's really going on with you and your schedule and your lifestyle. A good coach will help you, number 1, save time and frustration. Number 2, create a plan that fits your lifestyle. Number 3, identify what's actually draining your energy. And investing in expert guidance can make all the difference when you've hit a plateau and you don't know where to turn next. Feeling drained all the time shouldn't just be part of getting older. It's a sign that something is missing. Something is missing in your lifestyle or something that's just not working. The good news, that means you can fix it. So instead of accepting exhaustion or low energy as your new normal, start paying attention to what your body is telling you, because making small intentional shifts throughout the day can completely change your lifestyle. If this hits home for you, drop a comment below. Let me know which one of these changes do you want to focus on first. Also, if you're ready for real sustainable changes, check the link in the bio to work with me. Until next time, I will see you guys.